think interpretations are changing. I think meanings are changing, and I think that is leading to it is a positive way forward. I will not say that it is the best way, because I am seeing a lot of religious hate right now. I'm also seeing a lot of violence that is happening around religion, but I'm still seeing a ray of hope around there, and I really hope that it increases. Like, I really want to see, like, I've seen a few priests conducting gay marriages, although gay marriage is not legal in India yet, but still doing the ceremony because they feel that, oh, there's nothing wrong with that. That shows me some kind of hope. That shows me some kind of step forward, a way forward. We've been doing a lot of roundtables with religious leaders, and that seems to be working a lot. So I think that has been a very powerful tool. Sensitizations definitely have helped us. It has, I think, get through to them on a very human level rather than on a practical level. We discuss a lot of life stories with them. We show them videos of people sharing their life stories around faith and around religion. I feel when you move beyond a point of acceptance and just talk to them saying that this is what has happened to me and this is what has religion done to me, even though after that I am saying that I believe in religion, I think it puts a very powerful statement in front of them, and I think it really helps them understand us better, and it helps us at least start a dialogue with them. We had Father Judy or Father Joseph from the Indian Catholic Church Association, who actually gave us like the scriptures which talk about how homosexuality is a crime, and when he interpreted it in today's world, he said that was never the intention. Basically, what Christianity says is that when you are married and when you have a partner, infidelity is what is wrong. There's no mention about same-sex love. When religious leaders like this come out and speak about how these religious manuscripts are not differentiating against someone, I think it could really help. I don't think that mindsets can change in a day, so I don't think that a conversation in a day can change their viewpoint about these things. And especially, I feel any person in power always feels what they're doing is right, so they don't even want to hear the other perspective. So I just want to put the point forward and say that this is what the community feels, this is what they are saying. Now the question is about you, whether what you are doing is right or wrong. And I think I usually leave it with that question for them to ponder upon.